John Deere Operations Center is a farm management software that connects you to your field, crop, and machine data anywhere, anytime. Our goal is to help you learn how to use Operations Center so that you can begin to leverage precision ag technology in your farming operation with confidence. You can access Operations Center on the web or as a mobile app. Either way, Operations Center's tools will enable you to take your business to the next level. You can set up and personalize your farm online, saving you and your operators time in the cab. You can also remotely monitor equipment and job performance in real time. And Operations Center helps you analyze data to improve future yields, cost efficiency, and profitability. In this video, we will cover how to create an account and organization and take a quick tour of the website. First, you will need an Operations Center account, which allows you access to all your John Deere applications using a single username and password. Let's get started. Open a web browser and type operationscenter.deere.com. Select Create an Account and follow the instructions. You'll start by choosing your username and filling out the required personal information. After completing the account setup, you'll need to validate your information. Open your email and look for a recent message from John Deere. A 6-digit confirmation code will be sent to your email. This code will be valid for 30 minutes, and it could take a minute or two for the code to arrive. Once the message arrives, enter the confirmation code into My John Deere and click the Validate button. You will be asked to provide a few additional details, such as your address, to finish creating your profile. Select Continue to create a unique password. Select Create Account, and now your account is officially created. Select Continue to sign in and move on to the Operations Center. After signing in with your username and password, you will be greeted with the Create an Organization page. This process is similar to creating an account. Simply follow the instructions and provide the required information. Now let's take a quick tour so you can understand the layout of the website. Setup is your starting point for a successful operation. These tools ensure your farm starts off efficient and organized. This is where you will go to manage your team, create fields and boundaries, track the products you use throughout the production cycle, and more. The Plan tools allow you to proactively direct upcoming fieldwork and maintenance. Here you can predefine work for your operators to reduce errors and in-field setup time. The Map is your place to monitor your farm. Here you will see tabs for your fields and equipment. You can select a field in the Fields list or on the map. Each field is color-coded to match the last operation that was done in the field. From here, you can find links to view the field in other tools in Operations Center. You can hide the fields or make them visible again using the Fields button. The Equipment list gives you the power to pinpoint your connected machine on the map. When you select a machine, a side panel opens where you can view machine data, maintenance plans, and alerts all in one place. Select the Remote Display Access to monitor your machine's settings or to provide support to an operator. Here you can also view whether your machine is working, idle, or in transport, as well as fuel and DEF levels. Use the star to pin frequently used machines at the top of the equipment list. Analyse is your place to view and compare agronomic maps and reports. You can also generate reports to evaluate machine performance. These tools empower you to use your work data to make productive decisions and reduce costs. To access your organization preferences, go to the Organization Selection drop-down menu. Select the Settings icon next to your organization name. Under the Organization Details tab, you can find your organization ID number. This number is helpful to reference if you need technical support from your John Deere dealer or the John Deere Global Support Center. The Assistance menu contains many resources to help as you use Operations Center. Here you'll find release notes to stay up to date with new features, links to more videos, contact our customer support team, and you can search for informational articles within help documentation. Thanks for watching.